So I'm gonna. This is such a good song. I'm gonna flip your eyelid, and I'm gonna do some marking.
Okay.
We're good. We really should have a lot of music for this, right?
We could do some rock and roll.
Okay. Hi there. Totally weird. Okay, so I'm gonna use some numbing drops. Q-tip. And okay, good. This is might sting a little bit for a second. This is the extent of the anesthesia on the inside, and then basically it burns a little bit and goes away. It's lidocaine, and I'm just pressing it against the underside of the lid. It's going to get you the rest of the way numb. The extra under the injection gets you most of the way numb. This gets you the rest of the way numb. Okay? You okay?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, totally weird.
I worked for a dentist right out of high school, and I actually helped him do my own wisdom teeth.
That's creepy.
Yeah, it was pretty creepy.
Lindsay, can you put your hand on the forehead and rest this without twerking it?
What do you use to hold the eyelid open with?
What's that?
Do you have to do you have an instrument to hold the eyelid open, or do you just?
No, I use a traction suture.
How do you zoom in?
Like, you're not recording it at all.
The light's really bright and I can't see.
Oh, okay.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's true. Well, shut the light off. No. Can't do that, can we?
How do I zoom in? If I zoom in, what'll help?
I doubt it. It's okay.
Do you typically get a lot of bruising from this one?
No. Some swelling, yes. You can come out of there. A little bit tugging, totally weird. Take a Q-tip, please. Totally weird. Yeah, this is the traction suture. Some tugging, normal stuff. You okay? Any pain? Good. Six oh clean. Everything's going fine.
Look, I'm having disco lights.
If you're not happy with the quality of that, you could switch to regular photos, take intermittent photos. Thanks for nothing, Kalisha.
Yep.
Can you rest here? Hey, hey, what's the matter with your head? Hey. To work it? Thank you. I'm sorry, I did a better job with that pinch though. Stopped working, Linz.
Okay.
Thanks.
Yes.
Hold it, please, though.
Okay.
Just off the eye, just a little bit. You're so divine. Come and get your love. Come and get your love. Hear that, lady? Come and get your love.
Sing, come and get your new eyelids.
Yeah,
Come and get your
lids.
lids.
Yeah, there you go.
Thank you. Hey.
Got your new commercial now.
You did! My first commercial! For $59.95.
But if you call right now, we'll give you
call
two
right now,
lids
you
for
get two lids.
$59.95.
That's right. $59.95. No Medicare reimbursement. Can you push it down with the Q-tip?
Probably get more like $39.95 from Medicare.
Oh, we don't do any Medicare bashing in my office.
Okay.
We want Medicare for all. We want healthy America.
Mm-hmm.
We do.
Oh, I do too, but I want my insurance prices to quit going up.
Yeah, and that Medicare for all, I think, would be the best way to address that. Squeeze these damn pharmaceutical companies, etc.
So the
Good, looks good. Very minimal bleeding.
good.
Perfect.